Yeah, peeps. Downtown Orlando. You know the thing go. Another day in the street on the Uber app. So that's how things set. Yeah.
Yo, Street 2 TV, yo, the UM TV, Tuna represent, see? Yeah, that's it, last and passing. Modern vampires of the city, anti-blood, blood. Yeah.
Street vibes.
Street youth. So paper. This is an Uber vlog, and we book up on some real Jamaican, and we're there, so they go and hold it out with them, and they run the street in Orlando, Florida. You see me? So street youth, do it youth, beat them like a beetroot. So where you say you from again?
Manchester. Big up people them from Manchester. You see me?
Manchester Fiesta.
St. Andrew Best Castle.
Alright, see her over there, so come again. Where you say you're from?
Kingstonian.
Kingstonian. So you don't know a Street Youth TV, you know the Uber Flex. This is an Uber vlog anyway. And we're there they travel with the Jamaican them. So anywhere you go and you see Jamaican, a Jamaican. You see what I say? Cause them not go twang. Nothing different for please no one.
Exactly.
You see me? Everywhere we go, people love how we chat. Always remember that. So here we are going. We'll take them from the mall, go kick it off like a ball. See? I remember, a big shopping, I don't know, style.
No small thing.
You see what I say? So follow me now. Straight to the mall we are taking. So come on with the people. Anything me see, I don't know I see.
You can call me by your name. I am ready to rule.
There you go.
Yeah,
you know Jamaican full of vibes, you know.
Call me anytime. No, Chris. I don't know no vibes, man. Straight youth.
Beat youth. Yeah, man. Here we go. I share the vibes one, you know, so she stay from school days, don't?
Yeah, vibes master.
Yeah, man. Natural. So follow it, mall. Kick it off like a ball. Yeah, peeps, you don't know, we're up on the Florida Mall. And Orlando at least. So this a go on. Real Jamaican them. Just take them out of the Uber. And that's how the thing goes, so exclusive. So big up on yourself. Real Jamaican. So as me tell you now, this is a Uber vlog. So out here we're there in the mall in Orlando. And this is a huge mall, right? This. So this is the parking lot. And this is just a small part of the mall parking lot, right? So I have to mark where I park. I park on the JC Penny side. Just to make sure. Trying to head into the mall right here. What's going on right here? So this is the JC Penny side. So I don't want to be in the jail. So paper.
And things are right, you just know. There is something in your eyes that brings me home.
So
'Cause when there's love,
we have the Bath and Body Works over there.
so as long as you're with
Yeah,
me,
yes,
you're not
over there,
alone, you'll never be. I wanna tell you what I feel and really mean it.
Just like
I wanna
every other
shout it
mall
from the
or every
rooftops to the
mall.
sky.
You know you have to see
'Cause
them
if you
thing now.
ever need a friend,
You
you
see
know
that?
I'll be it.
Every mall you
From
have to see them
tonight
thing.
until we see the the end of
coat and them
time.
thing there.
I'll cross my heart and
You know,
hope
some
to
normal,
die with always and forever.
yeah,
I'll
big
be
high
by
school
your
right now.
side when days are dark and stars don't align with
The ladies there, going out in a pink.
the end of time.
Yeah. But I'm telling you, sir, this is a real youth mall, you know?
The end of we look back and when
Joey
we're
story,
old,
you know, so.
we'll see your
Pandora.
footprints next to mine along the road. And I don't know what the future
So we have
holds,
the pop market,
but as
so.
long as you're with me, you're not
People
alone,
on the
you'll
line,
never
line
be.
up to go in
Wanna
a
tell
Pandora,
you
to
what
go
I
in the
feel
pop
and
market.
really mean it. I wanna shout it from the rooftop to the sky. 'Cause if you ever need a friend, you know I'll be it. From tonight until we see the end of time, I'll cross my heart and hope to die with always and forever. I'll be by your side when days are dark and stars don't align with always and forever till the end.
Yeah, peeps.
The end of time.
Downtown Orlando. You know the thing go. Where they doing the street on the Uber app. So, that's how it's set. Yeah.
I'll cross my heart and hope to die with always and forever. I'll be by your
You have people we out there, you know, live and direct. So me I said downtown Orlando, Florida. So like and share and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. Out there with there in the road. Street Youth! Beat youth! Beat them like a beetroot!
Turn left on North Magnolia Avenue.
So you know the thing going on in the street, another hustling there and bustling there. You know our thing go already, you know. Out the road we say, you see me? We there they go and beat some Uber. I don't know, we are original taxi driver. So when you hear about Uber, I just pretty name for taxi. You see me? The only different, there's a lot of difference, but I mean like one of the difference, big difference, you don't drive up and down and look for people. The app actually provide you with people. You understand? So whenever they provide somebody for you to care, that money gonna split between you and the app, the Uber app. You got it? So it's fair enough.
Turn right on Pasadena Place.
Oh, this is a one way now. Pasadena Place.
Just ahead, turn right on Highland Avenue. Turn right on Highland Avenue, then pick up Aisha on the left.
Right here. Right here. Yeah, down there. In the street again, downtown Orlando. No, the thing a swing go. Get some sightseeing people. Yeah. Yeah, peeps, like, share, and subscribe to the Street Youth TV. We out there. There in the Orlando. You know how the thing go. Another hustling there in the street again. Street Youth! Street Youth beat them like a beetroot. So, you don't know how a thing going on the road, you know. So all of the people them who know about hustling, who no sit down at them yard and they depend on people and they depend on handout. Especially when you live in America. As you know it as Merry Macca. If you turn, you get juke. So hustling is the name of the game. So out there with that. This is the main focus.
Mile turn right on West Sand Lake Road using the right lane. On West Sand Lake Road. Didn't come through too much. Didn't come through too much. We should go on that road. This truck I got this way.
Sí.
desportiva de cá, dava meninos de assuntos desportivos. Sim, rádio conhecia tudo isso. Cá, TV. Chile. Mas só não vai grosso, deixa aí então. Alta presión móvil, lo va a pero no sé. Oh, chicos, pura jarra.
Take exit 77. Florida's Turnpike, toll, toward Miami, Ocala. In 1 mile, use the right lane to exit right to exit 77, Florida's Turnpike, toll, toward Miami, Ocala. Exit right to exit 77, Florida's Turnpike, toll, toward Miami, Ocala. In 1,000 feet, use the right 2 lanes to stay to the right. Stay to the right to Florida's Turnpike North, toll, toward Ocala.
People, if you drive on them road there, and money if you drive on them road there, you see me? Toll here, so toll there, so toll everywhere. You see me? Let me tell you.
Continue straight for 15 minutes to exit 278, Mineola.
So we're there downtown Orlando and kind of just stray a little bit from the town. They go up on the countryside. So follow the roll and follow the drive. So Street Youth, do it youth, beat them like a beetroot. Street Youth TV, like, share and subscribe. Out there with them. You know we always in the road, don't?